Hi guys, this is Alyona from BusinkaMania, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create a rose in a simple way. Take our 3 patterns. You will need one like this, two like this, two like this, and one like this. Outline all of them with something sharp like a toothpick. Now the tracing is finished. Just grab your scissor and cut everything out. Grab your iron, set the temperature on number 3. Take your foam and flip it this way. Now place it on the iron and wait for a few seconds. Then remove it and fold it this way. Roll it gently through your fingers. It should look this way. I'm gonna show you one more time. You place this on your iron. Fold this like you see here. Do the same way with all of them. To create a curvy shape at the end of the petals, use your fingers to extend the foam, like you see me doing here. Do this way with all of them. Put the end of the petal, this place you see here, this place, on the corner of the iron, this way, like you see me doing here. And push it a little bit with your finger, trying to mold a shape, this way. You see what we have? This one is raw, and this one is shaped. Take a square piece of foil and make a small ball out of it. Like this. When the ball is done, just press it like this to create a shape which looks like a raindrop. Something like this. Grab some leftover of your foam and cut small piece out of it. Exactly like this. Now, take the core of the flower and place it here, this way. Grab your toothpick and make a hole in the middle of the foil, like this. Grab your glue gun and apply some glue in the middle. Put your toothpick inside and wait for a few seconds so the glue dries out. Now take this small piece of foam, apply some glue on top of the foil and place there this small piece. exactly this way. Press it a little bit so it goes around. Keep applying some glue on your foam and keep pressing this way. Now take small pattern of the petals and punch this in the middle with your toothpick. Apply some glue here and put in this place our petals. Take the petal and apply some glue on it. Take a random leaves so your flower looks more natural. Keep doing this with all of them. It should look this way. Now take second layer and do exactly the same like with the first one. You apply some glue here. Slide these petals there. And start to attach them one by one to the previous layer. This way. Exactly like I'm doing here. Take random leaves. This will give to your flower more natural shape. Do this way with all of them. Take the biggest size of the petals and put this the same way in the middle, this way. You see here, we need to put our glue next to our core, not in the end of the petals, in the middle, on this place. Find the best position for the petals and start to glue. The rose is ready. If you want to have it more fluffier, you just need to add more layers. For example, here we were using 5 layers. 1 small, 2 middle and 2 big. You can add more big layers here and it will be more fluffier. Cut the toothpick. Grab the green foam. Combine all ends together, like you see me doing here. and run them through your fingers. This way. Do it for a few seconds. It should look this way. Now take the flower and cover this place with the green foam. Find correct position. I'll put it here. I think, yeah, it's covering all places. Hold with one finger here. Open the green part of the flower. Apply some glue in the middle. Hold a little bit. Take this end, apply some glue on it, and attach it to the flower. Do exactly the same with all of them. The flower is ready. You can select any base you want. It can be hair clip or some scrunchies. You just need to attach it to the back of the flower, like you see here. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question, just leave your comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.